Right now, the Russia President Vladimir Putin, is fully getting ready for World War III after the so-called French President Emmanuel Macron make a press statement that is going to and willing to send troops into Ukraine to fight Russia. So President Macron has been saying this ever since a few months now, but President Putin didn't really take him seriously. So right now, President Putin has been rehearsing nuclear tests so that in case if any war breaks out, they can start firing nuclear weapons to their enemies, which is very, very good. And the UK Prime Minister has just ordered his citizens to start stockpiling food, stockpiling waters and everything, so that in case if anything breaks out, so that they can survive, which they are not going to survive because one nuclear missile from Russia will wipe out the entire UK and its people. So this World War III is about to start. Please let me know what you think in the comment below. Subscribe or follow